Assalamualaikum, my name is Myra. In this video we will discuss about echo and print function in PHP. So let's start. We frequently use the echo statement to display the output. There are two basic ways to get the output in PHP. First echo, second print. Echo and print are language construct and they never behave like a function. Therefore, there is no requirement for parentheses. However, both the statement can be used with or without parentheses. We can use these statements to output variables or strings. Difference between echo and print. Echo. Echo is a statement which is used to display the output. Echo can be used with or without parentheses. Echo does not return any value. We can pass multiple strings separated by comma in echo. Echo is faster than print statement. For example, we create one variable s $fname equals to Myra. Second variable $lname equals to Fayyaz. So echo inverted commas my name is inverted commas close dot first variable called comma second variable semicolon and then PHP close. So the output is my name is Myra Fayyaz. Now print. Print is also a statement used as an alternative to echo at many times to display the output. Print can be used with or without parentheses. Print always return an integer value which is 1. Using print we cannot pass multiple argument. Using print we cannot. Print is slower than a echo statement. Example. Make first variable dollar language equals to PHP $rt equals to print as language dot inverted commas is a web development language inverted commas close semicolon. Print br used for break line. Now print inverted commas value written by print statement inverted commas close dot and call variable semicolon and then PHP close. Her output is PHP is a web development language return value written by print statement 1. So this is PHP and echo function in PHP. I hope understand very well. Thank you so much.